Well, hello there, YouTube. Today is Friday, October 15th. It's my day off. I get Tuesdays and Fridays off. Next week I'll have to take Thursday because my boss usually covers for me and he's actually gone on Friday, so I'll take Tuesday and Thursday. But it's a beautiful day. It's supposed to have a cold front coming in probably later on this afternoon, so it's supposed to drop it. It's like 86 now. Not really 80, well, it probably is, but it's supposed to drop into the 70s and even the 50s at night, which is incredible. I love it when it cools off. When I was on the Spyder Lovers, somebody posted a thing about oil and Rotella T6, and that's what I've been using from day one since I first did my first oil change at 3,000 miles. And Rotella T6 is 5W40 and it is safe for wet clutches. It's like what's called Tasso or whatever, but it's completely safe for wet clutches, and it's an incredible oil. And I do change my oil in this and the Goldwing every 4,000 miles. Because believe it or not, when you drain the oil out of this at 4,000 miles, it's black. So anybody that goes 98, like recommended, gosh, mine's going to last longer than yours. And my Goldwing's got 93,000 miles on it, and it just purrs like a kitten. I mean, there's not an iota bit of noise in that motor. It's just like a sewing machine. It goes so good, and I've changed the oil every 4,000 miles and the filters religiously. But that one I don't. I used to use Rotella T6 in that, but that one really calls for 10W40, so I've been using the motorcycle 10W40s, and there's actually a very good one that I really like because the Valvoline got high, but it's a Walmart brand that's really good, and I've been using that. So anyway, it's a beautiful day. It's kind of partly cloudy, but I think it's supposed to clear up after the cold front blows in. Bye. Now, I know what I was going to talk about. I don't think many of you know a lot about me, but I've worked from home for the last 19 years. I haven't had to commute, which is incredible. So I was home when my kids were young. Oh my gosh, they had to have been like 11 and 8. Whoa, buddy. Had to be 11 and 8. And my wife always commuted, so I was home all the time and the kids didn't run wild. But I did all the cooking, and I really like to cook. I like to eat, so I like to cook. I've even come up with recipes and meals that my wife will every now and then cook too. Just make up stuff like a breakfast casserole, all kinds of good stuff. But my kids, they're 32 and 29 now, and they cook, which is kind of cool. My youngest son cooks a lot, so my kids cook because they saw me cooking, and they think, oh, that's the way it should be. So anyway, I was talking about, I brought something hit me in the knuckles, a bug. I got several months ago, I got a big, huge 36-inch Blacktone griddle with air fryers underneath it. And I absolutely love this thing. I cook, well, not every day because I make so much I have leftovers. But I cook on that thing pretty much every day or every other day if I don't make a whole bunch. But it's incredible. I cook out there just all the time, and my wife loves it too because I do all the cooking. And she loves my burgers, chicken fried rice. I made chicken broccoli stir fry. God, the smash burgers are incredible. I've made pork tenderloin sandwiches that if you're a Midwestern, you know what those are. Oh, what else did I make? Oh, I just made so much stuff. and it's also good. But I actually started another YouTube channel. I don't put my cooks on this one, but it's if you ever watch Shawshank Redemption, where they're in the library and the one guy read the author and he said Dumass and the friend said no, Dumass. So my wife got me an apron that says Chef Dumass, so you get why that is. But so I've been doing a lot of cooking on it, and I started a YouTube video. The last one I like better because I focus more on the griddle, and I film it with my iPhone, and then I bought some mic adapters. I got a you plug it in the phone, you turn it on, it's like a transmitter or a receiver, and then I have a other one, I put it in my pocket, and then a wired mic, and it's a transmitter, so the sound is a lot better. And I'm kind of not going to show myself anymore, because I look at myself and I think, oh my God, I can't believe I look so old. So I'm probably not going to film myself a whole lot. But check it out, it's Chef Dumass. And it's a Chef Dumass, just do Chef Dumass on the Blacktone, because there really is another Chef Dumass somewhere in another country. I found him, Michael Dumass or whatever. But check it out. It can be kind of fun. I enjoy cooking.